Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how I created this artwork using Blender. Before I start, you might be wondering about my new YouTube background and voice. Yes, I am trying to improve the quality of my videos and will continue to update with every possible improvement in the upcoming videos. Enough talking. Let's jump into the video now. First, I added a plane and subdivided it to create the ground. Then I added a displacement modifier and set the camera angle. Next, I added another plane for the ground water. And used an HDRI to match the lighting. I applied a water shader to the water plane. However, I was not satisfied with the HDRI, so I removed it and added the physical atmosphere. I also used a ground material from the Blender kit and made some position fixes. To create the foggy scenes, I add a cube and use the volume scatter materials to make it foggy. Then I place the characters in different spots. Before continuing, have you checked my displayed shop yet? You can find my artwork as metal prints for your beautiful home, office, or wherever you want to put them. This is not a sponsorship video and it won't be, because I don't have enough viewer for that. But I will do get some commissions if you buy my display. The link is in the description. Now, let's continue the journey. I added tall grasses to make it look more natural. I hope you can understand the rest of the process. So I'll stop the narration now. And finally, it's done. It's a moody action image. Hope you find this interesting and helpful enough. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will hear my weird English accented voice again in my next video. Stay happy, stay safe, dream big. Allah Hafiz.